I'm Todd Scarborough. I'm the Director of Environmental Compliance with American Municipal Power, located in Columbus, Ohio. ESC Spectrum is one of the larger vendors out there that provides these type of services. Basically the technical firepower that ESC Spectrum brings to the table, along with the manufacturing capacity and then ongoing support as well as time in this field was very impressive. As part of our process to obtain and construct and install new SIM shelters at our flagship facility located in Fremont, Ohio, we interviewed on site a number of vendors, including ESC Spectrum. Our contact person has been Brett. We've really enjoyed working with Brett. Brett is outstanding from the very beginning. A lot of technical details. We've brought a lot of ESC Spectrum's technical folks on site, went through all kinds of different issues and challenges that the project presents, and it's really worked out great. As the project has progressed through working through the design drawings and any number of other issues, we're getting into all the reporting requirements, regulatory requirements that affect us specifically. We've worked with a number of individuals, but in particular, we've worked with Cooper and William, who have been very instrumental in making sure that the SIM shelters are fabricated so that we get exactly what we're looking for. Currently, we have like a 99.98% data capture rate. We want to maintain that. We've also been looking for opportunities for improvement. So throughout the whole design process and throughout the discussion of how the system is going to perform and evaluating each and every component, we've had it in mind that we want to be the best in class that we possibly can. We want to be the best that we can be. We want to perform best in class. Part of it is there's a culture. I think that ESC Spectrum has done an excellent job of building, and that's the culture of collaboration